Hello everyone, I'm Osama. Today I will introduce a hanging board machine for you. The products produced by this machine can be used for exterior decoration and energy-saving renovation such as villas, office building, stadium, school and hospitals. The appearance of this hanging board is available in 110 colors and textures by customizing various textures and colors to transform and mix and match. The decorative effect is maximized. Next, let's take a look at the feeding part. The maximum load of this decoller can reach 1/2 tons to 2 tons. The protected cover adapts a new process to increase the appearance and improve the practicality. The machine adapts the mid-plate structure, which has a high cost performance. The former rollers are finished by CNC Siemens equipment, which has a precision work, while ensuring the molding accuracy. The surface finish is improved to prevent the raw material surface from being scratched. The operation of the machine is simple and easy to learn. Let me show you. First, you can choose the language. After, click here to enter the land. And click here to enter the quantity, for example 3, and click here to start the hydraulic system, and after click here to automatically product. The operation is so simple. I have many customers who have purchased such machines. Some are still expanding production and preparing to continue to purchase the same equipment. Let me take you to experience the installation efficiency and effect of the hanging board. Let our installation master show you next. Let's take a look at the overall effect. This hanging board assembly method is simple and practical, which can shorten construction period and greatly save. It's very safe and convenient to install and use it, and it's not restricted by the seasonal environment. The market prospect is very broad. Welcome to order.